Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? So yesterday I posted a tweet, is that how we say it? And the tweet was I'm going bowling for my birthday with my extended family. Guess my score and receive either cryptos or some silver. So we went bowling yesterday as a family. And um, we got home late last night after the party, and then this morning I had to bring my father-in-law to the doctor, and now it's the afternoon of December the 31st. And frankly, I was so surprised how many people responded to my tweet. I think it was over 150 people over the last 2 days. And before I tell you my score, um, some of you were very generous with your assessment of what my bowling or prediction, not assessment, of what my bowling score would be. And granted, we only bowl as a family one time a year, this guy's birthday. So some of you had me at 220, some had me at 187. Kat, I loved your post. I think you said something like, oh my gosh, he's got his own bowling shoes. I'm going to give him a 220. I wish. And some of you were a little heavy handed on me. 67, 55. For bumper bowling, my 9-year-old grandson got an 84. So 67, 80, that would have been maybe me closing my eyes without bumper bowling. Be that as it may, I'm not proud of my score. Not at all. I did so bad. Behind me, I guess on the screen, DigiAid posted this last night, like score, like, oh, come on, we're all waiting for your score. So I'm embarrassed to say it, but now that I started this video, I got to keep on going. My once a year bowling score, of which the entire family, including myself, only bowled one game. And I bowled between 100 and 140. Well, actually between 100 and 120. Actually between 105 and 120. I didn't do too good. I actually bowled a 117, 117. So the winner right here is Pellegrin Trading, who guessed a almost insulting 119. But Pellegrin Trading turned out to be right on the money. John Moore had me at 127. I would have been happy with that. Lewis had me at 106, and Mike Coop had me at 111. But Pellegrin Trading, I got to salute you. 119, I bowled a 117 last night bowling. I will put my bowling score on Twitter as verification that I bowled a pitiful 117. Pellegrin Trading. Send me an email at cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. We'll give you some cryptos and or some silver. And again, thanks for everybody that participated. I was shocked, honestly, that so many people answered. Crypto Mentor 99. I may go bowling again next week, and I got to beat my 117. Love y'all. And Kat, thanks for your 220. It was awesome. See you later. Bye bye.